You're watching Next Tech. In this video, we're going to get a preview of Meta Business Suite. Means this is a business platform from Meta in which you can manage all your pages, all your Facebook and Instagram accounts from a same platform, right? So let's move on. This is the basic preview of Meta Business Suite. As you can see here, my Facebook and Instagram are both are connected, and you can post on both Facebook and Instagram from just your Meta Business Suite from just your one account, right? So as we move down, this is a to-do list. All your tasks which are open, you can handle them from here. These are all your posts that you have posted. This is the stories section. You can create and edit your stories from here. As we move down, this is the reels part. Yes, you can see all my reels that I posted from recently on my Instagram. And down there, this is recent ad. If you are running any ad, it will show all your ad activity down here. Message response, all the messages that you have received are going to shown here. These are the basic insights, audiences, audience growth, everything, right? So this is the basic preview of Meta Business Suite. So if we move on to content section, these are all the post real stories that you posted. So these are the posts. You can edit all your content from here from both Facebook and Instagram, right? This is real stories, mention tags, everything. You can edit all your content from here. Then we're gonna move on to inbox section. You can handle all your messages from Facebook, Instagram on same here inbox. These messages are going to shown. If you connected your WhatsApp business to your Facebook account, then you can also get your WhatsApp messages from here, right? So I don't have connected. You can also manage all the comments that are came on your post from here. So it's a quite good software. Means you can handle everything on your Facebook, Instagram without switching between different platforms. And this is an interesting part where move on to tools. These are all the tools. Mean first is notification. Here you can get all the notification from your Facebook, Instagram from both platforms. So Facebook and Instagram are connected. Here is ads option in which you can create and manage your ads, right? Here you can create and manage your ad from on both platforms like Facebook and Instagram. And this is planner, content planner, right? You can create your content calendar from here. If you are busy, you can post daily, so you just have to create a content calendar and schedule your post from here. You can schedule your post from here on both platforms like Facebook and Instagram on both. This is the appointment set section. If you are running any ads, leads ads, or any other ad that requires people to contact you, so this is the section in which you're gonna get their appointments, events. If you want to create any events, order. If you are This is the section if you are selling anything on Facebook Marketplace or you're running your e-commerce store on Facebook. And next, this is lead center. If you're running Facebook lead ads campaign, so you're gonna get all your leads down to this section, right? And then we're gonna move on to setting. This is the basic setting of your pages and anything, right? So that's on. This is the basic preview of Meta Ads Manager, Meta Business Suite. So in the next video we are going to get a detailed overview of Meta Business Suites and its different tools, right? So till then till then we're gonna meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. We're gonna meet in the next video.